How to use coupons on Pandabuy. Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the channel. If you are buying something on Pandabuy, it's always useful to have a coupon to lower the cost of your item that you're buying. So first of all, you need an account. So you're going to create an account using an email address, and once you have your account, you are then going to enter some shipping details and then your billing information. So this is what the homepage looks like on the app. So over here you can see there are a bunch of products. Now first of all, what you want to do is on the bottom right hand side you want to tap on account, and right over here you can see affiliates, balance, coupon, Pandabuy points, right? So the first thing you want to go into is coupons. Now this is where your coupons are actually stored. Your available coupons, your used coupons, and your expired coupons. Now, as you can see right now, we don't have any coupons. So this is how we're going to get coupons. The first thing you want to do is you want to join their Discord channel. And on the Discord channel, they give away coupon codes, say every week or twice a week or 3 times a week. So they give you codes, and for example, the first 20 people to use the code, in actual fact, gets the coupon code. Eventually, you will find that the coupon code is expired if there are too many users that have used the coupon code. So what you're going to do now, once you have obtained your coupon code, and let's say perhaps you now would like to make a purchase. For example, we got this t-shirt over here, and we are going to add this t-shirt to cart, and we're going to just choose a size and a color, and we are going to say agree, and we're going to add this to cart. Now this is in our cart, and now we can go up on the top of the page. You can see that this is now in our cart. We can just select this product, and at the bottom we can tap on submit. Now of course, you need to define your shipping details as well, but once you have done so, you'll get to this point where you can tap on I have read and agreed, and you can tap on submit. Now, once you're in the checkout aisle over here, you can now tap on your payment method, and once you've tapped on your payment method, you will need to log in, register your payment method, and then what you need to do is you need to hit the green button at the bottom of the screen. Once you have done that, your price will be displayed, and you'll have the opportunity now to enter a coupon code, and this is where you enter the coupon code, and this is where you will have your product discounted. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave us a like. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section, and we will see you in the next video. Cheers for now.